I'm gonna blame it on this guy right here, Winston. Hey everyone, I decided to come on over and tell you a little bit about myself. First thing, I hate making dinner. Like, hate it. It ranks up there with making bunk beds. Not quite as high as cleaning up vomit, but I really don't like making dinner. Well, wait a minute, scratch that. The making dinner part is okay. The part that's not okay is the extreme amount of time it takes and all the stupid dishes that get dirty while you're trying to prepare like one dish. But the worst part about dinner, at least in my household, is that we have 4 kids who like the most extreme, different foods ever. That is the worst. I guess if I were the best mom ever, I would make everyone their separate meal. No, thank you. I don't want to do that. Life would be so much easier if we all just ate like Winston. Right, Winston? Yeah. So, today I thought I would bring you in my kitchen and show you what's for dinner tonight. Because it's so hard to please everybody in this household, I have found a few different dishes that are a little bit unique and easy, and actually everyone likes them. That rarely ever happens, so it kind of needs to be documented. So I will put the recipe in the comments below so that you can easily follow it. This is called chicken ramen soup. And like the name says, you will need ramen noodles. It doesn't matter what kind, because you're not going to use the nasty seasoning packs that are inside. You only need the noodles. So you could have any kind you want. Normally I would use like a fresh rotisserie chicken and take all the meat off of the chicken and put it in the soup. But this was already made for me, and why not take that step away and not have to mess with it? So, bonus. So maybe if I was a little bit more organized and my drawers were a little bit cleaner, this wouldn't take me so long, but somewhere in there, I need to find a 1/4 cup. Yeah, good luck with that.
Say that a heated mess, you know, a mess where heat is applied to it, so what once was a little messy is now even messier.
Okay, 1/4 cup, here we come. And then we're going to put in the chili sauce. So I'm making this ahead of time, and that means I'm just going to put this right in the fridge for later. Now we're starting with the big guns here. Got the big pot, the garlic, and the ginger. The recipe says I'm supposed to saute this until it's fragrant. What does that mean? Just give me a time frame and I can do it and turn it off, but do I have to keep like smelling it? 6 cups of chicken stock. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now the wonderful rotisserie Costco chicken. Teaspoon of salt. I did wash my hands, by the way. It was just an epic mom fail. Ugh.
Fail!
That was not soy sauce. I don't know if you caught that.
I can't do anything right.
But that was sesame seed oil I just added instead of soy sauce. There's a big difference. Okay, quick run to the store, and now I'm hopefully back on track. All right, here we go. We boiled the chicken and the mushrooms and the chicken stock and the garlic and the ginger and the soy sauce, not sesame seed oil. The soy sauce, we salvaged it because we have to eat this for dinner tonight. After it boiled for about 2 minutes or so, I put in the ramen noodles. The recipe only calls for a couple packs, but I put in 5 because the kids eat this like crazy. There's the sauce to put on. So here's the finished product. Put in some of that chili sauce and hard-boiled egg. Sylvia, what do you think of this dinner?
It's good.
What do you like about it?
The ramen noodle.
Yum.
What'd you think of it?
I thought it was really good.